What if you could just tell your IDE to build an app, and it just did it?
Well, that's the whole idea behind Google's new project, Antigravity. Let's get into it. Look, this is way beyond just code completion. We're talking about a brand new kind of tool, the agentic IDE.
The whole thing is built around this really smart dual interface design.
So you've got the editor view for hands-on code, and the manager view, that's your mission control.
Okay, so what's the workflow actually look like? It's basically a 5-step process. It all starts with your prompt. The agent plans, builds, and then brings it all back for you to review. You kick things off with a simple, high-level task. Think of it like briefing a junior developer. But here's the cool part. It doesn't just start coding. It gives you a full plan to approve first. Once you give it the thumbs up, the agent just gets to work completely on its own. And I mean it has access to everything. Writing code, debugging, even spinning up browser tests. All of it. And this is huge for developers. It is not a black box. Everything it does produces an artifact for you. You can review every single code change and screenshot, kind of like leaving comments in a Google Doc. So, what can you actually do with this new way of building? It's pretty powerful. We're not talking about simple scripts. You can build entire full-stack apps or automate complex UI tests. And under the hood, it's running on the best models out there, like Gemini 3 and Claude 4.5. The goal here isn't just a small bump. We're talking a potential 10x leap in developer productivity. It's all about agentic orchestration. You're not giving up control. You're getting leverage with full transparency.